Hi Microsoft Excel users, welcome to our channel. Do you want to fill text dependent on the color of the filled cell? It is annoying to constantly have to retype the formula in the cell while using the define name technique. With Kutools for Excel, you can easily select all the cells with the same background color and then instantly type the necessary text into all of them at once. Assuming that I wish to write "Go" in blue letters and "Stop" in orange letters in the cells in this example, I will fill cells A1 and B1 with the appropriate colors. Next, choose the cells you wish put text into based on the color of the filled area. Click Kutools, navigate to the Select option, and choose Cells with Format. Choose A1, which was filled with the color you desire to use to select cells based on, by clicking the Choose Format from Cell button in the Select Cells with Format window. To return to the main dialog, click OK. Untick all but the Filled checkbox and the Ignore the blank cells checkbox. To select all of the blue filled cells, click OK and Yes. To fill all selected cells with the same text, write the desired text in the formula bar and hit Ctrl + Enter. That's it. You have successfully auto-filled text based on the cell color using Kutools for Excel. So now that you've learned some useful knowledge, if you'd want to see more videos about Excel, please subscribe to our channel.